Up to class, Euclid and Keter, January 29th, 2006 at 8 a.m. Warning. This is the SCP Foundation interrupt your scheduled program of public service announcement. This is not drill. On January 9th, 2006 at 8 a.m. And her name was Scp-001. This one is affected immediately and will continue into the foreseeable future. The U.S. government has given to the SCP Foundation clearances to issue the alert. The Foundation is dedicated to protecting the public. The sun has angry eyes, happy face, and he can destroy the entire buildings. SCP-001 is burned all of the dead people with a hot angel. The sun will kill you to death if you have food and drinks, clothing, and medical supplies. If you run for the angry sun, it will continue all the buildings on fire. Please stay safe, run for your lives, and do not die in the hot angel. Good luck, and start running right now. 4 hours later, at 12 p.m. York 29 2006 Horse 12 X-ray Sonia. Secretary Operator C4 SCP-001 work possibilities except already VE. Because so work possibility of us so we go over surveillance Feel kasi bebesoy waboy siya Cosmic celebrate 150 cents. Bye. She took with the women and bullet second seat bullet. Celebrate real. 10 hours later, at 10 p.m. Simmons in January 29, 2006 for 10 There's no less of tea and bleaches. Equipment because 2 or 3. We're both supposed to protect this natural supply to one solar spirit retreat. Video silver blood. Also 10 hours later, January 30th, 2006 at 8 a.m. The alert system. This alert system was provided by the weather problem on January 30th, 2006 at 8 a.m. Scp-001 is the factory across the city at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. You have 3 hours until February 1 away now. The SCP Foundation will identify yourself, please. Thanks for appointment. Evacuate the city now. The angry sun will appear. The angry sun will burn people to die. Run from the angry sun now. Thank you for the weather problem. 10 hours later at 6 p.m. Hi, I'm SCP-001. I will detect it. You have 20 hours until you die. I don't have much time to it. I'm going to burn the camera down in 3, 2, 1. Later, on January 31st, 2006 at 4 a.m. The series will perform SCP-001. You have 10 hours to evacuate. The series will evacuate the area. You have 10 hours to evacuate. Thank you. 5 hours later at 9 a.m. The New Year's Eve a was specifically with the town of Tinskin was the City Corp. So we do have 5 timer courses we do. But I have personally with the SCP-001. I survey whatever we do. So we go to the done of February 2006. Mesonuclear core. 4 hours later. At 1 p.m. January 31st, 2006, Costco 1 p.m. There was once down as the misery of February 1st. SCP-001 Pacificus is due 170 degrees Fahrenheit. However, we study body of the SCP-001 Pacific returns to SCP-073 on SCP-076. Delegates resources. in that video. Go to www.myproduction.com.